Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we will do some grammar revision. Okay. Okay. Uh, what is the past and the? I'll write the present. You have to tell me the past and the past perfect. V3. Tense is the backbone of language. You have to uh, master the tense if you want to improve your language. What is the past of read? Who will answer? 9. Nitin Sinha? Nitin? Tell your classmates to join the class. Yeah. Nitin, can you hear me? Nitin?
Yes, ma'am.
May
Yes,
I,
ma'am.
ma'am?
कौन? रिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, रिया, आंसर. रीड का पास्ट और
Read.
यस.
Read.
रीड, रेड, रेड. देखो स्पेलिंग एक ही रहता है, बस उसको हम लोग प्रोनाउंस डिफरेंट करते हैं. So read, red, but you have to remember that the spelling is the same, just you pronounce it in a different way. Read, red. Okay. Blow. What is the Srishti? What is the reason for this poor attendance? I can't understand. What you people think of yourselves? Huh? इवन इन नरेशन में डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इतना मिस्टेक्स था, उसका कोई ये नहीं. बट यू डोंट वांट टू लर्न एनीथिंग. व्हाट इज द रीजन? आई डोंट नो. एनीवे, यू आर एट अ लॉस. जो स्टूडेंट्स भी नहीं क्लास कर रहे हैं तो लॉस आपका है. फी तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. और ऐसे ही आप management is not going to exempt your fee and you are just relaxing and I don't know what. Okay, so what is the past of blow? Who will answer? Priyanshu Kumar? Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, blue. Ma'am?
शिखा, blow का past और past participle बताओ. And if any circular will come from CBSE that at least earlier it was 75% attendance was mandatory. अब CBSE ने 50 से 60% कर दिया ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में. और अगर कोई सर्कुलर आ गया कि students not be allowed to appear for exam, तो you will fall into trouble. Tell your classmates. एक तो हर दिन का अटेंडेंस स्नैप पे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. Classes are also being recorded. So record is there that teaching is going on in the classes. So you convey to your classmates. I can't understand the reason why they don't attend the class. Okay, who will answer? Shikha, blow,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
और नितिन
do you
आंसर करना है, देंगे चांस.
Yes, ma'am.
नितिन चलो ब्लो का बताओ, पास्ट और पार्टिसिपल.
Ma'am, blew or blown?
Yes, very good. Blew, blown. Blow, blew, blown. Okay. Then cost. Okay, Jigyasa, you wanted to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
इसका बताओ.
Ma'am, cost.
Yes, cost and third form also cost only. Cost का तीनों फॉर्म सेम है. अब बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं जिनका तीनों फॉर्म सेम है, जैसे हिट, कट, पुट, स्प्रेड, हर्ट. याद कर लो ये सारे, और भी है एक दो, मुझे इतना अभी दिमाग में आ रहा है. हिट, कट, पुट, स्प्रेड, हर्ट, all the three forms are same. Hit, cut. So you don't have to use ed in all these words. Okay. Then bite. What is the past and the participle of bite? Ronit Pratap Singh Tandi. Ronit,
yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो. बाइट का पास्ट और पार्टिसिपल क्या होगा?
Right.
बाइट का
Ma'am, bit or bitten.
हाँ,
Ma'am, may I?
बाइट का पास्ट और पार्टिसिपल. वेट, लेट रोनित आंसर. हेलो रोनित,
Ma'am,
कैन यू
bit
हियर
or-
मी?
Yes, ma'am. Bit or bitten.
Yes. Bite, bit, bitten. Then hide. हाइड का क्या होगा? जल्दी जल्दी बताते जाओ. प्राची, टेल मी द पास्ट एंड द पार्टिसिपल ऑफ हाइड.
Ma'am, hidden. Past hid.
Yes.
Ma'am, past में
Hid and
hidden.
pre-hidden. Yes.
Hidden.
You can note down in your copies. Hide, hid, hidden. Then strike. Strike means to hit someone. Jigyasa, you want to answer?
Ma'am,
प्राची, आंसर करना है.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. प्राची, आंसर.
Ma'am, strike का stroke.
नहीं, स्ट्रोक नहीं होता.
Struck.
स्ट्रक. हाँ, स्ट्राइक, स्ट्रक, स्ट्रक.
Struck.
स्ट्राइक, स्ट्रक, स्ट्रक. ओके. कॉपी में लिखते भी जाओ, एग्जाम में रिवाइज करने. ओके. स्ट्राइक, स्ट्रक, स्ट्रक. स्टिक.
Stuck.
Yes. Stick, stuck, stuck. And third form is also stuck. Okay. Tear. Who will answer? Shikha, tear का V2, V3 बताओ. Ronak Kumar, what is the past and the participle of tear? Ronak, can you hear me? Ronak Kumar. Okay, Srishti, you want to answer? Srishti?
Ma'am, top.
Yes. बताओ सेकंड फॉर्म क्या होगा? टीयर, टीयर मतलब फाड़ना, टीयर,
Tore.
Ma'am, tore.
टोर, एंड थर्ड फॉर्म
Torn.
Torn.
torn,
Torn.
tear, tore, torn, tear, tore, torn. Teach, come on, teach is very common. Ronak,
Ma'am, may I?
okay Ria,
Ma'am.
okay Ria, answer.
Taught,
Yeah, हाँ, teach.
taught.
Yes, very good Ria. Taught and taught. Teach, taught, taught. Okay. Lie. You know, lie has two meanings. Lie का दो ये होता है. One lie means
झूठ
speaking
बोलना.
speaking untruth.
Ma'am.
And one lie means horizontal position. दोनों का अलग तरह से बनता है. That is why I am giving both lie. So for lie, which means horizontal position, lie, lay, laid. Lie, lay, laid. If you want to say a sentence in past tense, he lay the table. I lay on the bed. And V3 is laid. And for lie, which means telling the untruth, lied and lied. I lied to my parents. I lied to my teachers. So lie has two meaning, and for both the past and the participle is different. Then for hang also, hang का भी दो meaning होता है. One means hanging a person,
Latkana.
hanging a person, and one hang means to suspend something. Suspend. So for hang, which means hanging something, hanging clothes. What is the past and the participle? कौन answer करेगा?
Ma'am, hunged.
Okay. Hunged नहीं होता है. Hung. Hung. Hung and hung. This means the hanging something. I hung the clothes for drying. I hung the clothes for drying. I hung my clothes on the hook. But when hang means to hang a person, then what is the past and the participle?
Hanged.
Yes, hanged. Yes, very good, Jigyasa. Hanged and hanged. So you have to remember according to the meaning. As in English, you have contextual meanings according to the context. So according to the meaning, the past and the participle is also different. According to the meaning, past and participle is different. आज क्लास शो कर रहा था ना स्नैप होमवर्क पे तुम लोग का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कम पार्टिसिपेट, हमको डाउट होने लगता है क्या? इज द रीजन? Anyway, you convey to those of them who are not attending the classes कि जो रेगुलर नहीं आते हैं, रेगुलर जो आते हैं वो एवरी डे दे आर प्रेजेंट. So only for those 20 to 25 students I am going to give 19 and 20. आप क्लास अटेंड करते हैं आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलेगा. And others I am not going to give more than 10 or 12. Okay, you convey it to your classmates very clearly that those who are attending the classes, they are going to get full marks, 19 or 20. Because that is the criteria for giving the marks, how you respond, how much classwork you do. So if you are not attending the classes, on what basis you will be marked? So you convey to your classmates. Okay, so we'll move on. Hurt. What is the past and the participle of hurt?
Hurt, hurt.
Yes, hurt, hurt, hurt. हर्ट बाइट हो गया है क्या? बाइट हुआ था, बाइट.
Bit, bitten.
Yes, bite, bit, bitten. Prince Raj, I can see your name in the participants. What is the past and the participle of choose? Batao. Prince Raj.
Hello,
Then
ma'am.
जी.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, choose the
हाँ, choose का बोलो.
chose or chosen child.
Yes, very good. शायद नहीं, श्योर रहो. हाँ, chose,
Yes,
chosen.
ma'am.
हाँ, class 10 students should not be in doubt of these verb forms. Okay. Understand. What is the past and participle of understand?
Understood.
Yes. Understood and understood. Understand, understood, understood. Fly और flow. Confuse कभी कभी students कर जाते हैं. Fly and flow both are different words. हाँ, fly means the birds fly and flow मतलब बहना. Both are different, so you have to remember the. Who will
Ma'am.
say?
Ma'am.
Who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer? Ranak? Ranak, you want to answer? 2 participants. Nitin, you want to answer? Nitin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the past and the participle of fly? Fly ka.
Ma'am, flew and flown.
Okay.
Flew and flown.
Yes, very good, Nitin. Then Jigyasa, you also raised your hand. Flow ka batao. जिज्ञासा
I'm flown.
नहीं, फ्लो का फ्लोड होता है.
Yes,
Flowed means flowing of the river. A river flows, बहना. Flowed, flowed. So fly, flew, flown, but flow, flowed, and flowed. Freeze. Freeze is common word. चलो कोई कौन बताएगा? शिखा, शिखा, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Prachi, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, froze, frozen.
Okay, froze and frozen. Okay. So you write down all these words in your copy also. So that lie, lay, laid. याद रखना कि लाई का 2 मीनिंग होता है, एक लेटना और एक झूठ बोलना. तो झूठ बोलना वाला लाई में lied and lied. And to lie in horizontal position, lay and laid. Then strike and struck, confusing words. Strike, hit and stick मतलब चिपकाना. So struck and stuck. Okay. Okay, now we will move to some editing exercises. In your examination, you are going to get these kind of exercises only. Editing, omission, narration, direct and indirect speech. Already you did in 9th, I revised in 10th, and after that also in test, many of you committed mistakes. So here every line there is one mistake. You have to find out the mistake. यहाँ जो है ये एक वर्ड छूट गया. What is the mistake in this line?
Develop.
Yes. Developed. Theater was first developed.
Develop.
Okay. Nitin, what is the mistake in the second one? The stage was simply a circle of turf on who the worshippers danced around.
Who?
Wait, नितिन को आंसर करने दो. नितिन, can you spot the mistake? नितिन, और कोई? सृष्टि, प्राची?
Yes, ma'am.
प्राची ट्राई करो. क्या है गलती सेकंड ये में?
Ma'am, on which the worshippers
Yes,
dance.
very good. On which, because stage is non-living. Who हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? लिविंग बींग्स के लिए. My aunt who lives in Boring Road. तो who जो है वो लिविंग के लिए यूज करते हैं. यहाँ स्टेज के लिए जो है which यूज होगा. Yes, very good. So the stage was simply a circle on which the worshippers danced around a altar of Dionysus. Prince Raj,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो. ये
Ma'am, an altar हो जाए.
yes, very good. An altar, हाँ, vowel pronunciation है. An altar. Yes, very good. An
what is the
altar-
meaning of Dionysus?
altar of Dionysus. Even I don't know. ये ग्रीक रिलीजन से रिलेटेड कुछ ये वर्ड है.
Okay, ma'am.
कल पता करके बता देंगे. The spot was usually at these foot of a hill. Who will answer? Someone who hasn't answered today. Shikha. Aditya, Anugrah. आज जिसने आंसर नहीं किया. The spot was usually at these. Come on, you're not getting any punishment. Try. At these foot of a hill. Shikha not responding. Shikha Jha. The spot was usually at these foot of a hill. Aditya, try करो. आदित्य, अनुग्रह. क्या एक गलती है लाइन में, खोजो कौन सा गलती. At these foot of a hill. Ronak, you want to try? Ronak Tandi. At these foot of a hill. No one. चलो कोई.
Ma'am,
कौन?
Ma'am,
बताओ.
एक अदम
प्राची,
the hill.
प्राची आंसर करना है.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो क्या होगा.
At that foot of his bed.
मिस्टेक तो तुमने सही पकड़ा. एट दीज नहीं होगा, लेकिन दैट
Those.
नहीं होगा. कुछ और.
Ma'am, those.
सिंपली द भी ठीक है. एट द फुट ऑफ अ हिल. The spot was usually at the foot of a hill, so that the spectators on the slopes would watch the dance. So that the spectators on the floor would watch the dance. What is the mistake? Ronak? Ronak Tandi join करके कहीं चला गया है. Would watch the dance. Who will answer?
Will.
नहीं, will नहीं.
मैम could.
Yes,
Could की जगह could.
yes, very good, Prince Raj.
Yes.
Yes, could. वो देख, ताकि वो देख सकते. Could watch the dance. This started the tradition of Greek theaters, semicircles of seats built into a hillside. What is the mistake? Semicircle.
Build.
Build.
Yes. What is the
Build.
past of build?
Builded.
Build.
नहीं, builded नहीं.
Ma'am, build.
Build. इसीलिए बार बार तुम लोग को हम 3 फॉर्म सिखाते हैं. कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. Built past tense is built into a hillside. Okay. A saint walked the streets of Kolkata. First one is already done. It can happen only at India. What is the mistake? It can
Ma'am,
happen
in India.
At.
At is the yes.
In India.
Jigyasa, good. बड़े जगहों के लिए जो है in use होता है. यहाँ India is a big place. When we studied prepositions, we studied that in is used for big places and at is used for small places. So India is a big country. You cannot use at. She lived at Boring Road in Patna. In Patna. So for big places, compared to Boring Road, Patna is bigger. तो छोटे जगहों के लिए at और बड़े जगहों के लिए in. So in India, it is time that us realized our. Okay. It's very.
Us.
Us is the mistake. सृष्टि, us के जगह क्या होना चाहिए? चलो सोचो और बताओ. It can happen only in India. It is time that us realized our strength. कुछ अटपटा लग रहा है.
Ma'am, we.
Very good. Yes, we. See, all of you can do it. You just have to focus your mind. It is time that we realized our strength. We are greater people. What is-
Great people. Ma'am, greater is wrong.
Yes, greater is wrong. We are great people. This is the mistake. What happened to Divyani today? She was regular. We are great people. We have so much religious leaders. This is also very common mistake.
Much.
Nitin,
Many.
रुको. कौन? रौनक, बताओ. Shikha has left the class. Midway.
मैम नीचे आंसर दिया हुआ है.
और गलती से शेयर. अच्छा, चलो.
अभी ध्यान दिया.
अच्छा, तो फिर भी आंसर भी दिया हुआ तो सीखे ना कि मच के जगह मैनी होगा. क्यों मच के जगह मैनी होगा? क्योंकि लीडर्स जो है वो काउंटेबल है. For countable.
Yes, ma'am.
So determiners, when we studied determiners, we studied for countable you use many and few, और uncountable के लिए कौन सा ये determiners use?
Little.
Much, little, less, और सम जो है वो कॉमन है दोनों के लिए. सो CBSE, it is you have applied grammar, means whatever you have learned in all the topics, you have to apply your knowledge in correcting the paragraph. You are not going to get any separate question from determiners or tense. You have studied all the topics in grammar and you have to apply your knowledge in correcting the errors. So applied functional grammar. Okay. So again, editing.
मैम इन मैम ऑन होगा
नहीं ऑन नहीं
विथ योर किड्स मैम विथ योर किड्स
हाँ very good with your kids spending time in your kids is wrong with your kids bring immediate as well as
मैम ब्रिंग्स
yes brings क्योंकि यहाँ जो है किड्स हमारा सब्जेक्ट नहीं है सब्जेक्ट क्या है स्पेंडिंग टाइम हाँ तो brings immediate as well as long term gain for the parents what is the mistake long term gain Ronak has joined the class and gone away somewhere not responding at all Ronak नितिन क्या है मिस्टेक बताओ
मैम टर्म
नहीं टर्म ठीक है ये लग रहा है गेन्स लॉन्ग टर्म और तो कुछ फॉर द पेरेंट्स इज करेक्ट ओनली सो
मैम टू द पेरेंट्स नहीं हो सकते क्या टू द पेरेंट्स
तो फॉर भी ठीक ही लग रहा है फॉर टू द पेरेंट्स लॉन्ग टर्म गेन टू द पेरेंट्स फॉर द पेरेंट्स long term gains for the parents bring immediate as well as to the for is also seems correct only for the parents के लिए अच्छा okay according to a research children of a involved parent according to a research children of a involved parent
मैम चिल्ड्रन ऑफ एन
yes very good and क्योंकि यहाँ vowel pronunciation है ना and
यस
yes Prachi your answer is correct children of an involved parent were more efficient children of an involved parent हाँ
मैम वाज मोर
चिल्ड्रन है तो was चिल्ड्रन के लिए ना ये वर्ड जो है यूज हुआ है चिल्ड्रन के लिए चिल्ड्रन ऑफ अ मोर इन्वॉल्व पेरेंट सो प्लूरल इज करेक्ट सी द होल
पेरेंट
नहीं होल
Parents,
पैसेज इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस अगर तुम देखोगे स्पेंडिंग ब्रिंग है ना तो यहाँ जो है क्या होना चाहिए दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू
आर
यस आर क्योंकि ये जो है एक जनरल ट्रूथ जो है पैसेज कन्वे कर रहा है जो नॉर्मली होता है तो ये नहीं है कि अब जो है वो सही नहीं है आर मोर एफिशिएंट हाँ सी यू हैव टू keep in mind the tense also if you see the paragraph it is in the present tense spending time with your kids brings immediate so here also the tense has to be present only instead of were are involved parent are more efficient and get in better with their peers get in better
मैम गेट्स
नहीं गेट ठीक है गेट इन कुछ अटपटा नहीं लग रहा है गेट इन बेटर
got it.
गेट द बेटर
हाँ गेट
The.
इन नहीं
गेट इट मैम इट
गेट अलोंग हो सकता है या गेट ऑन गेट इन जो है वो इट इज नॉट अ phrasal verb get on is a phrasal verb get on better so in is the mistake you can use get along better with their peers or get on better with the peers okay so I'm ending the class now. We'll meet again tomorrow. And you convey to your classmates that they have to attend classes. I keep
Yes, ma'am.
on messaging in the group, but no improvement at all. Okay. So bye all of
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Thank you. लाइट आ गया बाबुल ना. हाँ बाबुल, लाइट आ गया है ना, तो कर सेट कर. बटर पेपर पर डाल दो.
तेल डाल कर बनाते तो अच्छा. आलू ही देता तो खिलता था. इस हमको लगता है बेसन में और तेल का परवल का पेपर में तेल लगती है.